recap of the concepts which we had covered in our last class, that is on our Saturday's class. So guys, thanks for asking. My health is okay. My health is fine actually. Yesterday there is a small medical emergency, guys. So that is the only reason I'm unable to take the class. I tried, but I cannot. I mean, there is no way not to take the class. There is a small medical emergency yesterday. So that is the reason I had kept a message in the Google Classroom. I hope you received it. Yes. Yes. Yeah, my health is fine. My health is fine. Throat almost okay. Maybe 1 or 2 days. Maximum it's fine. On Friday it's literally worst. Saturday better. Today much better. Much better. So day by day it's getting improved. That is fine. Thanks for your concern, guys. Thank you. Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you. All right, guys. All right. Now, come on, let us start our session here today. So guys, on Saturday, which topic we have discussed? We discussed about variables. So I told you in Java, generally there are 3 types of variables are there, like instance variables, static variables, and local variables. So for instance variables and static variables, I repeat, for instance variables and static variables, JVM will automatically assign them with their default values. For local variables, JVM will not assign any default values. It is the responsibility of the programmer to provide the values for the local variables. So we have seen what are instance variables, what are static variables, what are local variables. All these particular concepts we had already covered. And in how many ways, guys? In how many ways we can access an instance variable? We can access an instance variable in 2 ways, exactly, like by using identifier name or else directly by using class object. Class object or instance. That is the only reason it is known as instance variable. Okay, so after that, yes, as I told you, when you're speaking about static variables, yes, we can access the static variables in 3 ways. Yeah, along with identifier name and class object, there is one more way, that is we can access a static variable with the help of class name also. Guys, that is literally very, very important. Kindly please do remember that. Okay, so yes, we have already seen that if local variable name and instance variable name are same, the first priority will be given to the local variable. In the same manner, if static variable and local variable is also same, also the first priority will be given to the local variable only. So we know that how to resolve the ambiguity if instance variable name and local variable are same, and if static variable and local variable also same, how to resolve the ambiguity. We already seen those particular concepts also. Now guys, I want to tell you one thing. Kindly please do remember these points. Why? Because I will be giving you tasks. I'll be giving you tasks regarding this. Okay, so don't kindly please don't forget these points there. Okay, why? Because for example, when I'm dealing with constructor or else static keyword, I'll be giving you the tasks. Now in order to achieve those tasks, you should be remembering these particular points also. So every point is interlinked with every other point. So kindly please don't forget, guys. Okay, fine. So these are the topics which we have discussed on our Saturdays, guys. And Saturday we have already covered some examples also. Did we cover some examples also? Guys, tell me, example program on instance variable, static variable, local variable. Yes. We have already covered them. Now, guys, today I want to discuss about one more topic, interesting topic. That is, let us try to keep our side heading as understanding Java constructors. Understanding Java constructor. Okay, so guys, actually constructor is a word which we are using right from the very first demo classes onwards. Did you remember that? The very first class, the class which I have written, like first program onwards, I'm using this word constructor. Exactly, guys. Just a second. Yes. I'm sorry for that. Okay, now. So guys, if I ask you, for example, if I ask you, what is the use of a constructor? What do you say? Sir, a constructor is used to initialize the object. That is the point which we are discussing right from the first class onwards. Of course, guys, that is 100% correct. That is 100% correct. Guys, kindly please do remember point number one. First point is, I mean, you need to remember like this. Constructor is one type of SPECIAL special method. What? Yes, constructor is one type of special method. So why I'm saying special, very soon you'll be understanding that. Now point number two, constructor is used to initialize the class object. Constructor is used to initialize the class object. Point number three, constructor is used to provide the values for the INSTNC instance variables. That's it, guys. That's it, not more than that. So if you are speaking about constructor, if you are discussing about constructor with anyone, like he may be an experienced person or else he may be an interviewer also, that does not matter. Okay, these are the 3 points which you need to remember. Like I'm speaking about the uses of a constructor. First point is, yes, constructor is one type of a special method. What special method? Okay, guys, what is the syntax of a method? I mean, I believe you know the syntax of a method. What is the syntax of a method? First, we need to write ACCESS MODIFIR, access modifier. Okay. After writing access modifier, we need to write RETURN return type. Yes, of course, return type. After that, we need to write MEDHOD NAME method name, and then parenthesis, and then open braces and close braces. Actually, we already know this. Like we have already covered this particular point, like access modifier, return type, method name, parenthesis, open braces and close braces. Very first classes only, we have already covered this particular point. Am I right or wrong, guys? Tell me. This is the syntax of method, like SYNTX, syntax of a Java method. Syntax of a Java method. Okay. Now let us try to have an idea. That is, let us try to have an idea about syntax of a constructor. Syntax of a constructor. Now, guys, before going to the syntax of a constructor, I want to give you the rules of a constructor. Rules, guys, rules. Okay. So basically, if you want to write a constructor, there are only 2 rules which you need to follow, guys. Only 2 rules, just 2 rules. What are those? Rule number 1. First rule is, rule number 1. I believe you already know these rules. I mean, can you please tell me what is the first rule? I don't know about the second rule, but first rule, damn sure you know this. Exactly. Guys, come on here, don't disappoint. Yes, the first rule is CONSTRUCT, your constructor name should be same as class name. Guys, how many times we are using, I mean, we have already used this statement here. Tell me, honestly, tell me. We have used a lot of times. Am I right or wrong? Literally, whenever we are creating an object, every time I'm using this word like new, after that constructor. Constructor name should be same name as class name. Am I right or wrong? Yes, this is one rule, guys. Okay, this is one rule. And do you know what the second rule is? The second rule is constructor. Oh, sorry, just let me try to write like this. Constructor should not be having any return return type. Constructor should not be having any return type. That's it, guys. That's it. Not more than that. Only two rules. Only two rules, Nana. Okay. First rule. Rule number one. Constructor name should be same name as class name. Constructor name should be same name as class name, and constructor should not be having any return type. Okay, so guys, by seeing this rules, can you tell me what is the syntax of a constructor? I told you constructor is one type of a special method. Okay, constructor is one type of a special method. The reason why I'm saying special method is, guys, actually in our first classes, demo classes only, I told you if the word method came out from your mind or else came out from your mouth, method, whenever we are using the word method, immediately what you should remember, 100% what method should be having? 100%. Yeah, very good, Chetan. No, Tarun, no. I'm speaking about method here, Tarun. If you are speaking about method, 100% what method should be having? Come on, guys. You are missing. Yes, 100% method should be having a return type. I told you. Did you remember that? Did you remember that if you are not having a return type, that is not a method? I told you. Exactly. That is the only reason. I am saying constructor is a type of special method. Sir, why it is special? Because it is not having any return type. Now, all right. Can you tell me the syntax of a constructor? First one is ACCESS access modifier. First one is access modifier. After that, can I write a return type? No. The rule itself is saying constructor should not be having any return type. So I should not be writing any return type. Okay. After that, what I need to write? Method name. No, not method name. Not at all method name. What I need to write? I need to write. Come on, guys. Tell me what is the first rule? Class name. Constructor should be having same name as class name. So here I'll be writing class name. After that, parenthesis, open braces and close braces. That's it. As simple as it is. Okay. Now this is the syntax of a constructor. Syntax of a Java constructor. TOR, syntax of a Java constructor, like this. Okay. Now just let me try to have a small line. Okay. syntax of a Java constructor like this. Right now, right now. Okay, sir. We know, okay, you're saying that constructor is one type of a special method. Okay. Constructor is used to initialize an object. Okay. Constructor is used to provide the values for instance variables. Fine. Rules. Okay. Constructor name should be same name as class name and constructor should not be having any return type. Okay. For example, guys, please observe here. Void method one and void class A. Now, in these two, okay, let us think like system.out.println, system.out.println, this is case one, and here system.out.println, this is case two. Now, case one and case two, what do you think, like, guys? Which one is constructor and which one is a method? Which one is a constructor and which one is method? Very, very simple. Literally. Durga, very good. Asus, give me your name, Asus. That is very good. Okay, guys, only some people gave me correct answer, but most of the people gave me wrong answers. Okay, guys, yes, obviously, first one is, yeah, not exactly, no, I mean, not a constructor. What is this first one? What is this first one? Method, obviously method. Okay, now what about this second one? What about the second one? Is it a constructor or not? Guys, just follow the syntax or else rules of a constructor. Okay, constructor should be having same name as class name. Yep. Constructor is having same name as class name. And constructor should not be having any return type. That is, I mean, guys, if you want to write a constructor, both rules should satisfy. Both the rules should satisfy, guys. Not one rule. But here, how many rules are getting satisfied? Only one rule, class name. But what about return type? It is having a return type, right? So, is this a constructor? No way. That is not at all a constructor. That is a method. That is a method. Now, guys, answer my question. Can we have class name as method name? Can we have class name as method name? Guys, we can have. Guys, that is an identifier. Am I right or wrong? Did you remember the rules of naming conventions? Did you remember the rules? I told you. Guys, we can have a class name also as identifier name, but it is highly not recommended. Come on, you should not forget. So this is a valid method. No problem. That is completely a valid method, but it is highly not recommended to take class name as method name, guys. Okay, guys. Okay. Now I want to change this as a constructor. Can you please help me? What I need to do? Right now, I want to change that as a constructor. Tell me what I need to change. That is good, guys. Sir, simply remove void. Yep, I'm removing my void. Now, guys, this is class A constructor. And this is method one called. I'm writing like this. Okay. So rules, guys, rules of a constructor. Same name as class name. Yep. And it should not be having any return type. Yes, it is not having any return type. Am I clear with the rules, guys? Am I clear with the rules? That is literally very good. Very good, guys. Very good. Now, guys, immediately the next question is, sir, how many types of constructors are there? How many types? Types, guys, types. Okay, guys, did you remember how many types of methods are there? Methods. I told you two types of methods are there. What are those? User defined and predefined. Again, these are classified into, like, again, predefined methods and user defined methods are again classified into what? Can you please tell me? Come on, come on. Again, these predefined methods and user defined methods are classified into parameterized methods and non-parameterized methods. Exactly, guys. Exactly. Now here also, for example, if we are taking, just let me try to go with like a constructor, 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 a constructor. Yeah, of course. I mean, predefined and user defined. Excluding that, what I'm trying to say is non-parameterized constructor, parameterized constructor, non-parameterized constructor, and parameterized constructor. Non-parameterized constructor and a parameterized constructor, like this. Guys, are you understanding, guys? Of course, when you're speaking about constructor also, yeah, user defined and predefined will be there. But what I want to say is I want to concentrate again, those user defined and predefined, predefined constructors are again classified into parameterized constructors and non-parameterized constructors. As simple as this. As simple as this. Now, guys, what is this constructor? Parameterized or non-parameterized? Is this a parameterized or non? Come on, come on. Yes, exactly. Sir, come on, sir. This we already know that. Very good, guys. Very good, very good. So this is actually a non-parameterized constructor. Shall I write a parameterized constructor also? Please. Can I write? Sir, please go ahead. Okay. Class A. And here I want to write it as a string, or else I'll be going with a int a, simple int a like this. Okay. Now what I want to do is I just want to make this as a class A, or else simply I'll be writing non-parameterized constructor. So guys, you know what is a constructor, what is the syntax of a constructor, what are the rules of a constructor, how many types of constructors are there, and one in question is missing here finally. And what is that question? That question is that, yeah, see, this is one constructor and this is another constructor. Guys, in a class you can write any number of constructors, that does not matter. According to our programming requirements, we can write any number of constructors. Am I right or wrong? For example, if I'm writing again same like this, why we are getting an error? Can we write like this? Can we write like this? No. Guys, do we get constructor here? No. Exactly. So we cannot write like this. Okay. Okay. So this is okay. Fine. No problem. All right, guys. All right. Now here the question is, guys, if anyone asks you how to call a method, can you answer it? Can you answer it? How to call a method present in a class? If anyone is saying no, then I will say, can you answer it or not? How to call a method? Sorry, how to call it? Like, if anyone asks you how to call a method, yeah, you can just tell me, you can answer it or not. Pretty much damn sure you can answer it. Yes, that is great. That is literally great. Now my question is, how to call a constructor? How to call a constructor? Now this is the question. Okay, the answer for this, guys, kindly please Observe it correctly. Please observe it correctly. A constructor will be called, guys, please observe, a constructor will be called simultaneously. One more time. A constructor will be called simultaneously whenever we are creating an object. Guys, I want you to repeat this point. Suresh, please repeat this point. How to call a constructor, guys? Come on, repeat after me. A constructor will be called simultaneously whenever we are creating an object. Not before creating an object or not after creating an object. Simultaneously. Simultaneously whenever we are creating an object. Means, for example, guys, please observe here. Now, let me have my main method. Now. Guys, I want to call method 1 here. Okay. I want to call this method 1. So, you know the rules, right? So, first, which keyword I need to use? New keyword. Can you please tell me the code after that? After you, what I need to write? Class A like this. That is great. Oh, sorry, that is great. Okay, after that, I need to give a name like a reference. I mean, or else directly I can call method 1, but I just want to give a name here. Okay, name and then class A like this. Class A like this. Okay, now, okay, after that, what we'll be doing? AOBJ dot method 1. I mean, we already know this. This particular concept. Okay, now guys, my question is okay, now guys, we'll do one thing. Instead of AOBJ, suggest me one more relevant name. Shrikant, suggest me a relevant name, any name instead of AOBJ. Shrikant Kumar. Hey, Gopi, come on. No, yeah. Jack, okay, fine, buddy. No issues. Guys, instead of AOBJ, like Shrikant is suggesting JACK, Jack. Yeah, fine. No issues. Okay, now JACK, Jack. But Shrikant, do you think like this is a relevant name, buddy? See, Shrikant, the thing is like whenever you are seeing an identifier name, like you should be able to identify that. That is actually the word identifier. Am I right or wrong, buddy? Right. Anyways, no problem, guys. No problem. Let us continue with this. Why? Because like every time we are going with AOBJ every time. So you may be vexed up. So I just want to go with one more name. No problem. Now, guys, for example, right now, please observe here, guys. Come on, concentrate. Come on. Stop debating. Right. Concentrate, guys. Okay. Now, line number 19, guys, line number 19, we are having an equal to, after equal to, what you are having? New keyword. Okay, fine. New means we are trying to create an object. Okay, we are trying to create an object with new keyword. Now we are initializing that object with the help of dash. We are initializing that object with the help of dash. Guys, if you are saying constructor, how many constructors I am having in my program? How many constructors I am having in my program? 2 constructors. So which one? I'm using which one? Come on. Exactly. I am initializing this object with the help of a non-parameterized constructor. Non-parameterized constructor. Am I right or wrong? So from line number 19, directly our compiler will be going to class A. That is line number 9. Inside this, what we are having? Non-parameterized constructor will be printed. After that, do you have any statements inside this constructor? Do you have any statements? No, I'm not having any statements. Not at all. I'm not having any statement. So again, our compiler will be coming back to line number 19. And for this object, we are giving a name like JACK, Jack. And with the help of that, I'm trying to call method 1. Directly, method 1 called will be printed. So what is my expected output right now? What is my expected output right now? Non-parameterized constructor and method 1 called. Am I right or wrong? Right click, run as Java application, non-parameterized constructor called and method 1 called. I mean, non-parameterized constructor and method 1 called. Yes, guys? I hope you're understanding me. Now, for example, if I remove this reference, dot method 1 like this. Now, what do you say, guys? Am I going to get the same output? Am I going to get the same output or different output? Exactly. I'll be getting the same output, guys. Same. How I'll be getting different output here? See, new keyword. Okay, with the help of new keyword, I am initializing that with the help of a non-parameterized constructor. Obviously, first non-parameterized constructor call, and after that method 1 call. Right click, run as Java application. I'll be getting my output like this. For example, guys. Now, new class A 1000. I'm writing like this. Now, what is your output? Just guess. Come on, just guess. Guys, here in this constructor, what we are doing, we are creating an object with the help of new keyword. Okay. We are creating an object with the help of new keyword, and we are initializing that object with the help of a parameterizer constructor here. Parameterizer constructor. Yes. For example, if I'm giving here as Java, why I'm getting an error? Because this parameter is int, sir. How can you give string? Nope. Guys, are you understanding me? So here we need to pass a parameter like this. Sir, you did not call the method. My wish here, I want to invoke, I want to start, I want to call this parameterizer constructor. I can write like this, no problem. Guys, yes or no? What do you say? Can I write like this? Yeah, 100% I can write like this. No issues. For example, new class A, let me go with like, I want to go with 99 or else 999 dot method. I'll do one thing. Instead of writing like this, I'll do one thing. Let me try to have a method void void method 2, and here system.out.println, I'll be writing method 2 call. I'll be writing method 2 call like this. Are you getting me, guys? Now, can I call this method 2? If this is a parameterized method, if there is a parameterized method and I want to print plus a, and here I'll be giving the parameter as something like 500. Okay, guys, are you getting me? Now let us try to analyze the code, guys. Let us try to analyze the code. Okay, Windows R, Notepad. Yeah, I'm analyzing the code. Please concentrate. I'm analyzing the code. Okay, now point number one. First, yeah, we know that every Java program execution starts from main method. Okay, please come to main method. In main method, what we are doing, we are creating an object with the help of new keyword, and we are initializing that object with the help of a non-parameterized constructor. Non-parameterized constructor. So from line number 25 here, from here, directly our compiler will be coming to line number 13. Non-parameterized constructor here. Okay, now inside this non-parameterized constructor, what you are doing? Just tell me what you are doing. We are creating an object. Okay, we are creating an object, fine. And in order to initialize that object, which constructor you are using? Which constructor you are using? We are using a parameterized constructor. Okay, so from line number 15, our compiler will be directly coming to line number 19. All right, all right. What is a value? A value is 1000. Fine. System.out.println parameterized constructor, and a value is 1000 should be printed. Okay. Are there any statements left behind? No. So directly come back to here, line number 15, here, end of the line, end of the line. Now, are there any statements? Yes, there are actually two statements. Okay, system.out.println non-parameterized constructor will be printed. Okay, now after that, come on, tell me, line number 17, what we are doing here? We are, guys, I already told you, whenever you are seeing new keyword, immediately remember we are creating an object. Okay, you are creating an object. Sir, you have created one more object. Yeah, my program, my rules. Do you have any problem? I'll be creating any number of objects here. Yeah, fine, no problem. I can create. So, okay, new keyword. Okay, fine. And I'm trying to initialize that object with the help of a parameterized constructor. Okay, so again, please come to line number 19. Guys, this did not got executed. Am I right or wrong? This did not got executed. Right now, we are coming to parameterized constructor and a value is 999. Okay, parameterized constructor and a value is 999. Sir, previously a value is 1000. Yeah, that is for this object here. That is for this object. This is for this object. Okay. Now, are there any statements left behind? No, there are no statements. So again, please come to here. Okay, line number 17, and we are trying to call method 2. Okay, please come to here. And what is a value? A value is 500. Okay, so method 2 called, and and a value is 500 will be printed. 500 will be printed. Now, after that, are there any statements left behind? No, there are no statements. So please come back to here. Are there any statements left behind? No. So please come back to main method. Are there any statements left behind? No. For example, if you are trying to write system.out.println start, start, and system.out.println end, end. Now we should be getting our output as start and end. Sorry. We should be getting our output as like this. Let us check. Sir, actually you forgot method 1, sir. Oh, sorry. Guys, I'm sorry for that. So, okay. After this, method 1 CALLED call. Am I right, guys? Thank you, guys. Thank you for reminding. Thank you for reminding. Okay. Okay. Now let us execute. Right click, run as Java application. Guys, literally, I'm proud of you guys. You are correcting my program. Literally proud of you. See, I'll be getting my output like this. So start parameterizer constructor, non-parameterizer constructor. Yeah, parameterized constructor 999. Yes. Method 2 call, method 1 call, and end. Am I clear with this, guys? Can you please respond in the chat for me? That is great. That is great. Now, do me a favor, guys. Do me a favor. Uh, no problem. No problem. Please have this program for me, please, and get ready for a task. Get ready for a task, please. Have this program and get ready for a task. Guys, if yesterday did not take the class, right? So did you think like class is not there, or else did you think today class is not there? Did you think like that? So how to tell those? How to tell those? Okay. Case one. Case one is okay. Happy. Today class is not there. Case two. Array, today class is not there. Now tell me, case one or case two? So she'll case one, okay, no problem. That is good, guys. That is good. That is good. Guys, constructor's topic is not yet completed. Construct none of the above. Constructor topic is not yet completed. Okay. Madhuri, can we initialize an object with the help of a method, Amma? Understand, Asma. Did you got the answer for your question? Just a second, guys. Just a second. Harshni, no, we cannot. Wait for that particular topic, Tali. Ishwar, yeah, fine. I'm good, Ishwar. Thank you for asking. Yeah, Rathod, yes. Wait, which programming, Sanket? Which programming? Wait for the topic, Sanket. Yeah, so yes, I understand, Sushil. I understand. Thank you. Okay, Sanket, actually you're asking me like how to apply logic on programming. I understand your question, Sanket. Point number one, Sanket, first you need to understand the concepts here. Okay. First, you need to understand the concepts. Why? Because without knowing the concepts, we will not be able to apply the logic. For example, Sanket, I believe you know how to like ride cycle. Am I right? So Sanket, I believe you know how to ride cycle, right? Cycle. I'm not speaking about bike, cycle. Did you remember the first days of learning a cycle? Whenever we are learning cycle, we don't know a destination. Am I right? There is no destination like where we are supposed to go. We don't know that. Simply what we'll do, we'll just practice how to ride that cycle. Am I right? Once that practice is done, if your mom asks you something to bring from a shop, you know the shop address. So you will be going through that cycle. Am I right or wrong? In the same manner, Sanket, first we need to practice the concepts. Whenever you got a requirement, you need to implement that concept. You will be getting that requirement. Trust me when I say that. The only thing is with practice, you will be able to increase your logical programming abilities, Sanket. And in my class also, I'll be giving you them. I'll be giving the tasks. Don't worry. Okay. All right, guys. I hope it's complete for everyone. Upendra, I will not be having those programs, Upendra. I already told for many times. Guys, all my programs are spontaneous. Okay. The programs which I'm giving in the classroom, which I'm trying to explain, all those are spontaneous programs. I will not be having any backup. So if you are missing the class means you missed the topic. Okay. So please check that. All right. All right, guys. All right. Okay. So guys, I hope you have completed. Right. Right. Ishwar, I'll check with that. Kindly please wait for it. Be fast. Be fast. In the meantime, Ishwar, give me your program in the chat, please. If you are having any problem, let me check with that. I believe you have connected through laptop. Paraniti, is it done? Come on, task is waiting. Task time, task time. All right. All right, guys. Task time. Right. Let me remove this. And task. Come on. Right. Come on. Write the program. Write the code and please guess the output. Just a second. I'll be trying to keep the program here. Yes. Go ahead. Write the program and guess the output. I challenge you. I hope you will accept the challenge. And guys, when I give you a task, kindly please don't copy this program in the Eclipse. Okay. Don't execute and give me the output. That is not fair. Okay. You need to guess the output. Please guess the output, guys. Okay. Guess the output. Guess the output. Try to use shortcuts. If you give the correct output for this program, up to now, whatever the concepts which we have covered, all those concepts, you are good. I'm speaking about method, written type of a method, constructor. Guys, please wait. I will scroll. Please wait. Ishwar, nothing to worry here. Nothing to worry. Trust me. Okay. No problem. Do one thing, Ishwar. Here, if you see Eclipse in window, you will be having an option like perspective. You will be having an option like perspective. Just select reset perspective and check. If you are having still, if the program, if you are having the problem, tell me. Okay, Ishwar? Do that for me, please. Please go ahead. But before that, write this program. Don't skip the tasks. Don't skip the tasks. And guys, kindly please give your names whenever you are logging in. Okay, I want to address you with names here. For example, I don't know, like I have a huge name like numbers. Please give names. I like to address my students with their names. Who is this? APT0L3018061814. Please give the names, guys. Please give the names. And the person name is D. Who is D? There is a reason why I'm asking you the names. There is a reason, okay? I want to remember my students' names. Do you know, like, why okay. Just a second, guys. Just a second. Do you know why I'll ask names? Just a second. Please check this mail. Yes, no. 7 p.m. I got this mail. 7 p.m. Just a second, guys. This is the mail from one of my students. His name is Raju, and I remembered his name. This is placement batch student. Placement batch means, guys, after completing like 70% of Java, that is core Java, advanced Java, and Oracle. After completing 70% of Java, Naresh IT, like Naresh IT will be conducting a online test. Okay, online screening test. In that screening test, if you got cleared in that screening test, what we'll be doing, like we will be getting a call. And for example, last screening test, guys, 1600 people have written that screening test. In those 1600 people, nearly 300 people got cleared. In that 300 people, all those 300 students will be trying to keep it like a placement batch. No need to pay a single rupee also. Literally, no need to pay a single rupee also. This is placement batch. Like whatever the screening test which we have conducted, if you clear that screening test, we will be eligible for that placement batch. And in that placement batch, we will train you once again, like a brush up kind of training will be there, along with core, like important concepts in core Java, advanced Java, Oracle, and then Simultaneously, communication skills also will be taught, and then your resumes will be sent to the company. Like that, he is an electrical student and he got placed in TCS with a package of 3.6 lakhs per annum. Okay. So guys, I believe you remembered the word, like the sentence which I told you, right? There are literally no shortcuts for success, only hard work. No shortcuts for success, hard work. Work hard, it will be done. And on Jan 16th, he did an exam. Jan 22nd, his technical and completed. And 25th, HR is done. 27th, he got the offer letter. 17th is his joining date. Day after tomorrow. Technical round. Tell me about yourself. Oops concepts. What is default constructor? Which we will be discussing in our tomorrow's class. Question on multi-threading. Questions on collections like linked set. Okay, this is okay. Linked list. Questions on collections, collection framework, and when you're coming to MR, like whether are you willing to relocate or not. Some just simply family background. Have you done 2 doses of vaccine? Simple, not normal things. Normal things. And HR, tell me about yourself. This is most expected question. Why you are joining in TCS? What do you know about TCS? Actually, this question refers, what do you know about TCS? And whether like actually you are a non-IT person. He's a non-IT person. Electrical background, right? Electrical background. And like why you are coming to IT and whether you are willing to relocate or not, like that. So these are the questions which he faced, and he literally cracked that interview. Okay. So today only I got this mail actually 2 hours back. He's thinking that like you may not be remember, but I remember my students with names, guys. Okay. And this is one more mail, like Jay Prakash. This is also one of the success story, Jay Prakash. Anyways, so I'll show you that. But first, please go to the program. Please. Please go to the program, guys. Please go. Come on, give me the output. Give me the output, guys. Okay, I'm getting the outputs. Please go ahead. Please go ahead. Please go ahead. That is good. That is good. That is good. MR means, okay, some people are asking what are MR interview. MR means managerial round interview. Okay. Technical round. TR means technical round. HR means human resource. Okay. Guys, I'm seeing your outputs. I am seeing your outputs. That is good. Okay. Before pasting it, please check it once again. Some people are giving me the wrong outputs. All right, guys. All right. Fine. Let me show you the output. The output is, shall I show you the output? Shall I show you the output? Right. Very good. Right. All right. Okay, guys. Some people are writing the code. Okay. Just wait for 1 more minute. Guys, 1 more minute. Just 1 more minute. I want to give a chance for everyone. 1 more minute. Please go ahead. Just 1 minute. In the meantime, guys, please, if you completed, please give me the outputs in the chat, please. Okay. Initial program. Come on. No, Sudhakar, Haripriya, give me all your outputs in one message. Wait for it. Please. Come on. All right, guys. Done. Completed. Completed. And the output is right click, run as Java application. This is the output. Sunday, Saturday, Thursday, Monday, Tuesday. In the next statement, I'm returning string value, challenge accepted and output verified. How many of you got right answers? Please raise your hands in the Zoom. Please raise your hands in the Zoom. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Please raise, please raise. Okay, 65, 70. Very good. Very good. 70. Don't, guys, the people who have completed, don't lower your hand. I want to see the number. Please don't lower your hand. Okay, 78, 79, 80 people. Exactly, 80. That is good. That is good, guys. That is good. Thank you, guys. Please lower your hand. Please lower your hands, please. Thank you. Thank you. So, guys, out of 200 students, 80 people gave me the right answers. And I believe another 20 to 30 or else nearly another 40 to 50 people will be having one or two errors. One or two errors. Rest of the code, rest of the answers are right. Exactly, right? Maybe one or two errors. That's it. But it's okay. It's okay. No problem. No problem. But guys, let me ask you one thing. Are you able to analyze this code? Sonal, are you able to analyze this code? Yes, that's it. That's it. Not more than that. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, shall we go? Like, I want to give for one more program. Can I give you one more program? Yes. And guys, do you want me to explain this program? If anyone wants to explain this program, please tell me, sir, please explain. Please respond. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, okay, okay. All right, guys. Let me try to explain. Let me just try to explain it for once. Okay. Once. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, please check this. Please check this. Guys, please lower your hands. Please lower your hands. Lower your hands. Like my screen will be blocked. Please lower your hands. Lower your hands, please. In the Zoom. Pranita, Rajshekar, Mukesh, Tharan. Lower your hands. Please lower your hands. Please. Right. All right, guys. Just a second. Yeah. Now. All right. Now, guys, please observe. Yes, in my program, I am having one non-parameterized constructor, one parameterized constructor, which is having only one parameter, and another parameterized constructor, which is having two parameters. Guys, two parameters. Am I right? Right. Exactly. Now, okay. So guys, we already know that every Java program execution starts from main method. So I told you this particular point, guys, forget about how many methods or else how many constructors, whatever you're having. Directly, please go to first main method. Check the syntax. Is it syntax correct? Yes, the syntax is correct. Okay. You are creating an object. Fine. With the help of new keyword, and we are initializing the object with the help of a constructor. Sir, you did not call the method. Guys, just follow the code. So generally, every time you will be calling a method. What happens here? I want to execute a method like this. Just follow the code from line number 30. Where our compiler will be going from line number 30. That is from here, new. That is, okay, you are trying to create an object with the help of new keyword, and we are initializing that object with the help of a non-parameterized non-parameterized constructor. So where is that non-parameterized constructor? Here. From line number 30, our compiler will be directly going to line number 5. Line number 5. Okay. Okay. Now what is happening in line number 5 here? First, system.out.println Sunday. That is exactly what is getting printed, Sunday. All right. In line number 8, we are having an equal to. Okay. Guys, I already told you, if you are having equal to, what you need to do? Always analyze that statement from left side or right side. Left side or right side? Which side? Come on, guys. Come on. Which side? Left side. Left side. What you are doing? Sridhar, you need to analyze it from left side. Come on, Sridhar. What it is? Not left side, buddy. Not at all left side. Start from, it's okay. Next time onwards. Next time onwards. Okay, Sridhar? Always, always, if you are having an equal to, kindly please analyze from the right side. Right side, guys. Right side. Okay. So what we are doing in right side? We are, okay, new. I already told you guys, if you are seeing new keyword, if you are seeing a new keyword, what is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that? New keyword. There is only one use for new keyword, creating an object. All right. Object creation is done. And after creating an object, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to initialize that object. Okay. Now we are initializing that object with a parameterizer constructor or non-parameterizer constructor. Parameterizer constructor or non-parameterized constructor? Parameterized constructor. But guys, do you know what? Actually, in my program, I am having two parameterizer constructor. One is in line number 13 and another is in line number 24. So which constructor will be invoked? Which constructor will be invoked? Line number 13 or line number 24? Sir, obviously line number 13. How? Sir, because line number 13 in this constructor, you are having only one parameter, that is integer parameter, and you are obviously passing 10. That 10 will be coming and storing into this temp. Okay, very good. So first, system.out.println Saturday. Yep, Saturday will be printed. After that, in line number 16, we are creating an, what we are doing? New keyword. Guys, remember, if you are seeing new keyword, you are creating an object. Very good. So we are trying to create an object with the help of new keyword, and we are initializing that object with the help of a parameterized constructor. Now from line number 16, can you please tell me where my constructor will be coming? I mean, where my compiler will be coming? From line number 16, my compiler will be coming to line number 24. Exactly. Data will be 10 and temp will be 20. Now here, system.out.println Thursday. Thursday will be printed. Are there any statements left behind? No, there are no statements left. There is only one statement and we successfully executed that. So after executing this statement, our compiler will be directly coming here. Line number 16, end of line number 16. So after line number 16, we are having one more statement, that is system.out.println Monday. All right. Monday will be printed. Monday will be printed. Are there any statements? Nope. There are no statements. Again, work backwards, where from here we'll be coming to here. Okay. For this object, you are giving a name like OBJ. All right. No problem. No problem. Now in line number 9, what we are having in line number 9? System.out.println Tuesday. All right. Please print Tuesday like this. Okay. In line number 10, again we are having equal to. Tell me, Sridhar, left side or right side? Left side or right side? If you are seeing an, yes, that is very good, buddy. That is literally very good. Now, guys, as I told you, if you are seeing an equal to, we need to start analyzing that from the right side, right side. Okay. So what we are doing here, with the help of that reference, we are calling display method. We are calling display method. Okay. Now, guys, display method is a parameterized method. Yeah. So S value is challenge accepted. Okay. System.out.println, in the next statement, I'm returning string value and display method is returning yes. What is S value? Challenge accepted. The same value we are trying to store in yes, and we are printing yes. That is challenge accepted. After that, are there any statements left behind? No, there are no statements left behind. So again, we'll be coming back to main method here. System.out.println output verified will be our last output. Am I clear with this, guys? I hope it's clear for everyone. That is good. That is good. So one more task. One more task. One more task. All right. Now the task is okay. This is the program. This is the program. I mean, this is a question. This is the question. Read this question and write the program accordingly. Read this question and write the program accordingly. I want the output. Sorry, I want the program. I want the program. You need to read the question and write the program. Malika, Malika, you'll be getting a lot of options in internet, Amma. Like you can just search, you'll be getting a lot of options. All are good. Just search for that, please. But here actually I'll be trying to give directly the code. Like I'll be giving you the questions only. This is one kind of pseudocode. Right now, if you write the code for this program, that would be enough. Try to write the code for this program. Anish, 8 o'clock offline will not be there, Anish. 8 p.m. only online, buddy. Guys, up to now, no one gave me the output. Literally. Up to now, no one gave me the output. I got the output, by the way. Sushil. Yeah, that is great. Yes, Sushil. Yes, of course, that is correct. That is correct. And Raghava. Let me check with that Raghava. Yes, Raghava, that is also good. Very good, yeah. Very, very good. And Muhammad Ahmad. Nice. No, 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 no. Ahmad, in the place of new programming, don't give I love. Try to give Java. Okay. And Suma, that is good. Suma, that is good. That is good. Muhammad, did you understand? In the main method, try to give Java as a parameter. That would be great. All right, guys. All right. All right. Now, most of the people give the correct outputs, guys. I'm just trying to show the program which is given by Raghava. So guys, this is the program which is given by Raghava here. First, understand the question. The question is, he is asking you to create a class name programming. Okay, class name programming. Fine. While creating an object of that class, generally where we'll be creating an object of the class? Inside the main method. Inside the main method. Okay. Now, while creating an object of that class, okay, if nothing is passed to it, means, for example, I am trying to create new programming programming like this. Okay. Am I passing any value? No, I'm not passing any value. So if I'm not passing anything, what is the message? I love programming languages should be printed. Yeah, actually what we are doing here, I'm trying to call my non-parameterized constructor. So I love programming languages will be printed. Of course it will be printed. Am I right or wrong, guys? If I'm passing a value, that is string value Java, try to take this parameterizer constructor and I love plus yes. So whatever the data which I'm giving, it will be printed here. Right click, run as Java application. I love programming language and I love Java. For example, if I write here, I love coding. If I write here, coding, if I write coding, then I'll be getting my output as I love coding, like that. Is it clear, guys, for everyone? Please have this program. If you did not write, have this a program, please. Please have this program. Most of the people give the correct answers, guys. Most of the people give correct answers. That is very good. Some small mistakes, that is fine, but no. Snehal, no, you should not be directly giving Java like that. If you are trying to print Java, Snehal, for example, okay, coding, coding. If you are directly printing like coding like this, and here, if I'm giving Java, what is my expected output? My expected output here is I love Java. Am I right? But what is the output I'll be getting? I love coding. That is not my expected output. So instead of writing directly like this, we'll be trying to print this yes. So whatever the data which is present inside this yes, it will be printed here. Okay, Snehal, I hope you got the logic. Respond, Snehal, respond. Yes, that is very good. That is very good, buddy. All right, guys. All right. So, guys, in our Google Classroom, I'll be trying to provide you with one more question. In our Google Classroom, I'll be trying to provide you with one more question. Can you please work that for me, please? By tomorrow, you should be giving me that answer. Can you do that? That is good. That is good. By the way, guys, by the way, for example, in 1200, what is 10%? 120. How you are calculating it? How you are calculating it? So you got an idea there, right? Did you got an idea like how to calculate a percentage? Right. Right. Okay. Like if you have an idea, that is fine. That is fine. Okay, guys. Okay. No issues. No issues. So, Ishwar, you said you are having a trouble. Can you please share your screen for me once? Are you there, Ishwar? Ishwar, are you there? Did you connect it through laptop? Please respond. Respond in the chat. Respond in the chat. Okay. Now, just a second. Let me check the security restrictions. Okay. Ishwar, now I'm promoting you to panelist. Please come to panelist. Just a second, guys. Just a second. Okay, so Ishwar, do one thing. Give a click on share screen and select screen. Give a click on share screen and you can select screen. Please check with that. Did you got it? Yep. As Ishwar is saying that he's having. Monica, please wait. Please wait. Please wait. He's having a trouble. Okay, what is the trouble you are facing? Okay, can you please execute the program? Okay. Okay, Ishwar, you have written pack 1. Where is that package here? Where is that package? No, where you have created that package in SRC? In SRC. Right click on SRC. Okay, hang on. Wait. Don't do anything. Okay, can you please move your cursor a little bit up to Ishwar.java? Ishwar.java. Wait. Get down. Just a second. Okay, once again, just scroll. Move your cursor slowly to Ishwar.java. Okay, hang on. SBI SRC pack 1. Where is it SBI? Okay. Now, you are having that project SBI, right? To your left side. Left side. SBI. Expand it. Expand SRC. Expand pack 1. Now, there is your Ishwar program. Okay, do one thing. Close that program here. Close it. Double click on Ishwar.java. Right click here. Right click. Run as Java application. Right. Now, go to window. Yeah. Run window help is there. Na? Go to window. Give a click on show view. Give a click on console. Right. Okay. You got your output, buddy? Right, right, right. That is good. That is good. All right, guys. All right, all right. So, hang on. Okay, just a second. Just a second. All right. So, Monica, you're asking that UI modules. Okay, did you mail Monica? Are you full stack student? Yes. Did you mailed Monica? Like I gave you this helpline. Did you make a mail? Okay, do me a favor. Do me a favor. Please make a mail to this email. Please mail and contact this number also. Did you contact to this number, Monica? Which number you have contacted? Both the numbers you have contacted or one number? Which number you have contacted? This is the first number and this is the second number. Which number you have contacted? Okay, no issues, no issues. Do one thing, Monica, send a WhatsApp to this number. Okay, send a WhatsApp message and please mail also. Please mail to this number. Okay, right? Let me check what is the possibility I can do that for you. Okay, Amma, Monica. In the WhatsApp, did you clearly mention your name and like you are my student 8 p.m. Kishan sir batch student full stack? Did you mention like that? Yes, yes, yes. When did you message? You will be getting the data, Amma. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll cover it. Okay, Monica, you will be getting that. All right, guys. Okay, guys. So that's it. That's it for today. And we'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow. And guys, constructors topic is not yet completed. Please, constructors topic is not yet completed. So still we'll be discussing about that constructors in our tomorrow's class. Okay.